Hey growth hackers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of marketing, AI-driven personalization using real-time data. No fluff, no vague theories, just actionable strategies and real-world examples you haven't heard a million times. Let's unlock how brands are boosting engagement, sales, and loyalty by acting instantly on customer behavior. And stick around, we'll reveal tools you can start using today. First, real-time personalization starts with understanding your customer as they interact. Think, tracking clicks, location, browsing time, even abandoned carts instantly. For example, Stitch Fix, the fashion subscription service, uses real-time data from style quizzes, social media trends, and live inventory to adjust recommendations while users shop. Result? 80% of customers keep their first box because it feels tailored to their exact moment. The key? Tools like Google Analytics 4 or Mixpanel track behavior in real time. Pair that with AI platforms like Segment or Optimizely to segment users on the fly. But how do you turn that data into magic? Let's talk AI. AI isn't just predicting the future, it's acting right now. Take Domino's Pizza. They use geospatial AI and real-time order data to push location-specific offers. Craving pepperoni at 3 p.m.? They'll ping you with a discount and show how long delivery will take to your exact address. Conversions jumped 23% in test markets. Or Uber, which adjusts ride prices and driver incentives by the second based on demand, weather, and events. For you, tools like Dynamic Yield or Adobe Target can automate personalized pop-ups, emails, or discounts triggered by real-time behavior. Imagine, a user abandons their cart, and bam, they get a discount for the exact item they left behind, within seconds. That's power. Now, let's stitch this into a journey. Sephora's app uses real-time AR and purchase history to recommend makeup shades as you browse. If you linger on red lipstick, it'll show tutorials, reviews, and a loyalty reward for that product all in one session. Their app drives 80% of mobile sales because it's a personal stylist in your pocket. Another example, Duolingo. Their AI analyzes your mistakes in real time to serve practice exercises the second you struggle. Engagement skyrockets because the app adapts to your learning curve instantly. For your business, platforms like Braze or Intercom can automate these journeys. Start small, use real-time data to tweak your homepage banners based on traffic source or time of day. Test, iterate, and scale. If you're ready to hack growth with AI personalization, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We drop videos every week breaking down the tech and tactics you need to stay ahead. What's one part of your customer journey you'd automate with real-time AI? Let's brainstorm together. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Stay data-driven, stay unstoppable.